Hi, I'm Karan Talwar. I'm the owner at Kraft Luxury Catering. I'm a chef by profession and I've been cooking for the last 20 years. Today at this Gourmet Fest 2023, I bring a new concept for destination weddings all across. So this is your final destination for any destination catering needs. Please come and try our exceptionally curated, mouth-watering cuisine at Kitchen Craft Studio. So TGF always promotes young talent like us to come on board and exchange ideas and new trends with various wedding planners across. I always try to be a part of this great initiative by Touchwood, where I can come and talk about new trends, what I'm trying, the new experiments, what I'm trying to do for this wedding season.